Hello children, today I am going to teach you EVS class 2 lesson number 5, time to celebrate. What? Time to celebrate. Now see children, here you have to identify these pictures. So now see children, first picture is Deepavali, second picture is Christmas, and the last picture is Eid ul Fitr, or we can say it's Eid also. Now see children, how do people celebrate these festivals? What? How do people celebrate these festivals? So let's learn about this. How do people celebrate these festivals? How do people celebrate Deepavali, or we can say Diwali? So how do people celebrate Diwali? Do you know children? Yes, you know this. People clean their houses at that time. Before 4 days or 5 days, our mother clean our houses, and then even at night the people decorate their houses with lights, diyas, candles, tube lights, and they enjoy and eat sweet food at the evening with crackers, and children get the crackers and sparklers from their parents. And even at night people distribute the sweets and gifts also for children. At night again people offer the prayer to goddess Lakshmi, and goddess Lakshmi is the, we know goddess Lakshmi is, she is the goddess of wealth. So this way people celebrate Diwali. Then children, now see, then the next is Christmas. Which? Christmas. Then how Christian people celebrate Christmas, children? Do you know about this? Now see, let's see. So see children, Christmas is celebrated in all over world, and it is celebrated on 25th December. We know this. Every year Christians celebrate Christmas on 25th December, and it is the marks the birthday of Jesus Christ. Even people decorated their homes. That day they are sing carols like Jingle Bell, and set up Christmas trees at that time. And even children also get gifts from their family members or relatives also, or friends also. At that time they get the presents. Okay, then the next is Eid. Now see, this is the Muslim festival. Muslim people celebrate this festival. So how they celebrate this festival, children? Now see, they are celebrated this festival at the end of the holy month of Ramzan, and even at that day people wear new clothes on this day and visit mosques to offer prayers. And even people greet that day, and people meet each other and greet Eid Mubarak. And see children, what is meant by Eid? Eid means time to break the fast, and that day children get gifts from their relatives. That is called Eid. Okay, so this way they are celebrate Eid. Now see children, here religious festivals. Okay, this is the type of festival. So we have to learn this time 3 types of festivals: religious festivals, national festivals, and seasonal festivals. So one of the religious festival. Now see religious festivals. So what is meant by religious festival? Do you know about this? So let's see, listen properly. People of different religions celebrate different festivals are called religious festivals. People of different religions celebrate different festivals are called religious festivals. Now see here, first one is Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is celebrated on the last day of the month of Shravana according to the Hindu calendar. See children, according to the Hindu calendar, Hindu people celebrate Raksha Bandhan on the last day of the month of Shravana. Okay, now next, then see, on this day on this day, sisters of all ages tie a rakhi around the wrist of their brothers. We know children how we celebrate Raksha Bandhan. That day or on this day, sisters of all ages, small also and big sisters also, they have a brother, and at that time what actually sister do? Sisters of all ages tie a rakhi around the wrist of their brothers. Okay, and this festival celebrates the love between brothers and sisters. For what we celebrate this festival? This festival celebrates the love between brothers and sisters. Now let's come to the next festival. See children, next festival is Durga Puja. Durga Puja is a Hindu festival primarily celebrated by Bengalis. Okay, Durga Puja is a Hindu festival, and primarily means especially in Bengal they are celebrate this festival. Even in Maharashtra also we celebrate this festival, but here we celebrate this festival 10 days, and there they are celebrate 5 days. Okay, so this is the Hindu festival, and primarily it's celebrated by Bengalis. Bengali people celebrate this festival. It is a 5-day festival. So Durga Puja is a 5-day festival. 5 days they are celebrate this festival. And what happen actually at that time? What people are actually doing there? People do during this festival, the idol of the goddess Durga is worshipped for 4 days and is immersed in the water on the 5th day. See children, now during this festival what people actually do? People worship the goddess of Durga, the idol of goddess Durga, and how many days they do this? They are do this 4 days. Okay, and then after that on the 5th day people immerse the idol of goddess Durga into the water. To the water means they are sink or they are immersed into the well, then river, and even in the sea also. Now see children, let's come to the next point. This is this festival? This is the Ganesh Chaturthi. What? Ganesh Chaturthi. See, here is a picture of Ganesha. Now Ganesh Chaturthi, we know children how we celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi. Ganesh Chaturthi is a Hindu festival. What? Ganesh Chaturthi is a Hindu festival where we worship the god Ganesha. What actually people do at that time? That time we worship the god Ganesha, and it is a 10-day festival. How many days people celebrate this festival? People celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi 10 days. Okay, and during this festival idol of Ganesha are worshipped privately in homes or publicly in elaborate pandals. Okay children, see, during this festival what people actually do? See, people at that time people bring the idol of Ganesha at home. They worship privately means at home or in public. They organize the program. Elaborate means organize. They organize the pandals at that time, and this way they are celebrate or this way they are worship the god Ganesha. Then people distribute sweets such as modaks. What? People distribute sweets such as modaks, believed to be a favorite of the deity. Deity means a god. Deity means a god. Okay? So at that time people have believed or people think Ganesha like modak. That's why that at that time, first day also and last day also, and some people daily they are distribute sweets as modak. Okay. Then the festival ends after 10 days. When this festival ends, children? See, this festival ends after 10 days when the idol is carried in a public procession with music and group chanting, then immerse in a nearby water body. See children, now here the festival ends after 10 days, and then see children, when the idol is carried in a public procession means where a number of people, vehicle move slowly in a line, that's called procession. At that time what happened actually at that time there children? See, people carried the idol of Ganesha at that time with music and group chanting. Sometimes people do dance also there, and then immerse in a nearby water body. Immerse into, we know this, immerse into to sink, to put into the water, and like where we immerse the idol of Ganesha, children, in well also. If there are small idol of Ganesha, we immerse into the well. If it is little big, then river. If there are so many big of idol Ganesha, then we immerse into the sea. Okay? In the city of Mumbai city, because there are so many big idol of Ganesha, so that what people do there? People immerse the idol of Ganesha into the sea. Then now see, this festival is celebrated especially in the states of, in which states of celebrate this festival especially? See children, this festival is celebrated especially in the state of Maharashtra, Goa, Telangana, Gujarat and Chhattisgarh. Okay, this festival is celebrated especially the state of Maharashtra, Goa, Telangana, Gujarat and Chhattisgarh. So this way I taught you religious festival children. So I will teach you national festivals and seasonal festivals in next video children. Okay, bye children.